Electroculture. It's one of those old but new ideas making a comeback. It's the practice of using electric currents, magnetic fields, or copper antennas to stimulate plant growth. But people also talk about health benefits for humans. Let's unpack both. First up, electroculture in agriculture dates back to the 1700s to 1800s, when farmers noticed that plants growing near telegraph lines or areas hit by lightning strikes seemed to grow faster and stronger. By the early 1900s, French and Russian scientists started experimenting with various methods to harness what they called the fertilizing effect of electric currents on plants. This led to the development of several electroculture techniques. One popular method involves placing copper or iron antennas in the soil, which are essentially like rods or wires that are buried or partially buried in the ground near plants. Proponents believe these antennas help pull down energy from the atmosphere to fortify plants. They claim that this energy, sometimes referred to as ether, organ, or prana, is a subtle vital force present in nature that can boost plant growth and health. Another approach involves applying low-voltage electric currents directly to the soil or plants. This can be done by running a current through the soil or by inserting electrodes into the soil around the plants. Supporters suggest that this practice helps create a more favorable environment for beneficial soil microorganisms, which in turn enhances nutrient availability and plant growth. Additionally, there's the use of magnetized water or seeds. This involves saturating seeds or the soil with magnetic energy before planting. Again, the rationale is that this treatment can kickstart biological processes leading to improved germination and growth. So what have people reported as results from using these electroculture methods? Generally, it's claimed that electroculture can lead to faster plant growth, larger yields, fewer pest problems, and healthier soil microflora. However, it is important to note that much of the evidence supporting these claims comes from anecdotal accounts and small-scale experiments rather than large controlled studies. Now let's shift our focus to electroculture and human health. While electroculture was initially explored for agricultural purposes, the underlying principles have also been applied to human health and well-being. The connection between magnetism, electricity, and vitality was a popular topic of research in the 1800s and early 1900s. Here's how some of the main ideas have been linked to potential health benefits. 1. Magnetism and vitality. Copper and iron are conductive materials that create weak